how to turn off Gemini in Gmail. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable Gemini within the Gmail app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Gmail app, then select the three lines in the top left of the app to open up the menu here. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, select Settings, and then in the settings here, select your email. And then all we need to do is scroll down, and there's a couple things we need to turn off. So first, turn off Smart Features, then go under Google Workspace Smart Features, select that, and you want to toggle off both of these. Now keep in mind, these are the only menus we have to disable Gemini in Gmail, but that does come with some consequences. You might lose things such as spell check, grammar check, or even smart filtering of your emails in Gmail, or even things like your events from Gmail show up in your calendar. So if you want to keep those, leave the first one on, that'll give you that. But this last feature just allows more of your emails to be used across the other products on Google. So it's really up to you. You could turn them both off and then see if you miss those features. If you do, you could just turn them on again in these settings here. So that's how you turn off Gemini in Gmail. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.